Joey! Joey!
The Right Honorable Raila Odinga is not a candidate for Kenya. He is a candidate for East Africa. And before we rolled out his candidature, we went to Mzee Yoweri Kaguta Museveni as the elder of our region. We spoke to all the East African heads of state, and we confirmed that we had the right candidate.
We are supporting the candidature of Raila for the chairmanship of the African Union, but the real power he will help us to do some mobilization and some, we call it what? Brainstorming, but the real power is with us here. We who are in charge of these states, we are the ones who can say we move, and we move. For him, he can talk. He's like a preacher. He's like John the Baptist. This gathering here is not political. It's just cultural. To bring people together, people who share common culture. Because Waswahili wanasema ati mwacha mila ni mtumwa.
We are here today to witness the fusion between culture, sports, and tourism. And this is the way to go. We have seen significant progress. In 2024, we had various cultural festivals that have become not only regional, but international. And they have become a significant spice and ingredient of tourism.